Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. I hope all of you are healthy and all of you are keeping your surroundings sanitized. That means your surroundings should be neat and clean. Even you should take bath at least thrice a day. As you go out and when you come back, wash your hands with the soap at least for 30 seconds, and if you cannot wash with soap, at least wash your hands with the sanitizer at least once. So, be careful, take care of yourselves. If you will be fine, then your family will be fine. And please eat the food cooked at home. So, our today's video for class 2 is for subject science. Now, let us read a thought. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. So, what is the meaning of thought? That opportunity means chances. So, you should not wait for the chances to come to you, that when you get the chance, then you will do something. But you have to create the opportunity for yourself. You have to create the chance for yourself. If you want to be successful, if you want to do something, don't wait for anything. Just do it. And that is how you create your opportunity. You have to fly high in the sky, just like the airplane. So you have to create your chances. You have to create your opportunities, your chances yourself. Please don't wait for the chance. Make a chance for yourself. In today's video, we are going to cover these topics. We will have the revision of chapter 2, uses of plants, the notes which were to be written in the fair book, which has already been sent in the group. So that notes we will just revise, we will read it again, and after that we will solve some worksheets which are based on the same lesson, uses of plants, and we will solve the worksheet, some interesting worksheet for the practice and for your knowledge. So let us read uses of plants worksheet, and let us read the notes which are to be written in the fair book. First we had read hard words. So let us quickly revise the hard words. The first one was sugarcane. So what is the spelling? S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Again, S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. And we get sugar from sugarcane. Then number 2 was radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Again, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. This is radish. Then next, T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. This vegetable is turnip. Then next, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Then B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. This is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Then number 6, L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. This is lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. Then number 7, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. These are all cereals. Then next, C-O-C-O-A, cocoa. Again, C-O-C-O-A, cocoa. This is cocoa powder. And what is the main use of cocoa? You can make chocolates with the help of cocoa. Then next, T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C, turmeric. T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C, turmeric. This is turmeric, yellow color, and very good for medicine. It is also medicinal plant. Then next, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. This is rubber plant or rubber tree, you can say. Then F-U-R-N-I-T F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. This is furniture, sofa, chair, table. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. Then we had seen fill in the blanks in the previous video. Let us read once. Already I have explained it to you all, but we are just reading it once again so that we can have revision. So number 1, potato and sugarcane are examples of stems we eat. So we eat stems of potato and sugarcane. Then next, we get tea, coffee and dash from plants. So sugar, we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. Then number 3, we get oil from dash. Where do we get oil from? We get oil from plants. Next, jute and cotton are dash. We get from plants. So jute and cotton are called fibers. As you can see over here, fibers. So jute and cotton are fibers. Then number 5 was furniture is made from dash plant. So where do we get furniture from? Teak plant. This is teak tree and this is furniture. Then number 6, match the following we had done in the previous video. Rice is a cereal. Then cardamom is a spice. It will add color to our food. Then number 3, cotton is a fiber useful for making clothes. Number 4, rubber erasers. We use rubber or erasers for erasing a mistake. Then number 5, rose perfume means we can make perfume with the help of rose plant, and flowers smell good, so perfumes have a very pleasant smell. Next, then we had done write 2 examples for the following. This was the next exercise for Fair book. So let us revise. So write any 2 types of cereals. One is rice, other is oat. Here is the rice and here oat. These are 2 cereals. Then next we had done 2 types of spices which give color to food and we can decorate the food with it. So cardamom, cinnamon. Cardamom is this. Here is cinnamon. I told you spellings you have to memorize. C-A-R-D, card, A-M-O-M, cardamom. C-I-N-N, A-M-O-N, cinnamon. These are the 2 spices. Then number 3, plants that give us medicine. So we have to write the names of the 2 medicinal plants. So which are the 2 medicinal plants that we had seen? Neem, turmeric. See, here is neem, here is turmeric. So these are the 2 medicinal plants we can use when someone gets hurt or when someone is sick, when someone is not well. Then number 4, plants that give us fibers. So where do we get fibers from? From cotton and jute. So with the help of fibers we can make clothes. So there are cotton clothes that we wear. Jute and cotton we get from plants. Then plants that give us wood. So where do we get wood from? We get wood from oak and pine. See, oak, pine. This is the place, these are the 2 plants that give us wood. Then we had seen one word, grains that are ground to make flour, that are cereals. So we have to write one word. These are cereals. We can make flour, that is atta. With the help of that we can cook chapati and other things. So cereals are ground to make flour. Then things that add flavor to our food. How do we make our food tasty? We make our food tasty. We add flavor to our food with spices. So these are all different colors and varieties of spices you can see on your screen. S-P-I-C-E-S. It is plural, spices. It will add color and flavor, taste to our food. Then number 3 we had seen part of the rubber tree that gives us rubber. So where do we get rubber from? rubber tree gives juice. As you can see, the juice of the rubber tree is there. From that we get rubber. Then number 4, tree that gives us gum. So from which tree do we get gum? That is used for glue, used for sticking things. From kikar tree. As you can see, this is kikar tree. We get this gum from kikar tree. Kikar, tree, kikar tree. Here we get gum. Then questions answers we are done. Questions and answers, let us revise. Name any 3 things can be made out of wood. So from wood, what can we make? We can make houses, furniture, boats, etc. So many things we can make, but we have to write any 3 things. So house, furniture, boats. Then number 2 was, what is spice? So what is the use of spice? A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. See, this is dried. When it is dried, the seed, fruit, root or bark, we get spice. And the use of spice is adding color and flavor to our food. Then number 3, what had we seen? Where do we get fibers from? So can you tell me where do we get fibers from? We get fibers from cotton and jute plant. The same question was there in give 2 examples. The 2 types of fibers are cotton and jute. These 2 we had learned in give 2 examples. COTTON, cotton, JUTE, jute. These are the things, these are the plants where we get fibers from, and fibers are used for making clothes. Then where do we get rubber from? We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. As I told you, we get juice of rubber tree, and from that we can make rubber. We had just seen in the previous topic. So we get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. JUICE, juice. Then last one we had seen in question answers. Write 2 examples of cereals and pulses. So we have to write names of 2 cereals and then 2 pulses. So which are the 2 cereals? Rice and wheat. And which are the 2 pulses? Moong and kidney beans. So here you can see 2 cereals are there, rice and wheat. Here we can see moong and kidney beans. So when question is asked, you have to write the cereals and then you will write pulses. RICE, rice, WHEAT, wheat. Then pulses, what is the spelling over here? MUNG, moong. KIDNEY, kidney. BEANS, beans, kidney beans. These are kidney beans because they are of shape of kidney. So here is the worksheet based on what we have learnt in the lesson, uses of plants. So now let us see the worksheet. Recall and complete the concept map given below. We have to complete the map which is given below. This is, what is the topic? Plant give us following things. So a plant can give us so many things. So here we can see in front of us there are 10 things, and we have to fill in the names. We have to complete the names that plants give us. So what do we get from plants? We get so many things. Let us discuss, like fruits, vegetables, coffee and tea, spice, fibers, wood, soap, toothpaste, perfumes, paper, rubber, gum, medicines, oil, cereals and pulses, and vegetables. So we have to find where are the names. All the names which I said just now are over here, and we have to fill in the blanks with that names. So first one, what do you think it is? F-U dash. So what is the spelling of this? This is the spelling which you have to complete, that is fruits. So let us write over here, what is the spelling? The answer over here is fruits. That is our first answer. So as you can see, I have written over here fruits, Fruits, fruits. Then what else is given over here? What can you see? V, then dash. What is this? What is the spelling? Can you tell me? We eat that every day with chapati. What is this? This is starting with V. It is vegetables. So let us write vegetables. So here is the answer. Vegetables. We get vegetables, fruits from plants. Then next one. C dash 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 and T dash E. So what do we get over here? Can you tell me? It starts with C. So we get coffee, COFFE, coffee, and TEA, that is our answer. So here is the answer, coffee and tea. Here is coffee, here is tea. Here E will not come, here TEA will come. Then what is here? Can you see? C dash R dash 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 and P dash dash dash. So we also get cereals and pulses. So what is the spelling? CEREALS, cereals, and here PULSES, pulses. Let us write. So here is our answer, cereals and pulses. That will come in the blanks given over here. That is the correct spelling. Next, can you see over here? S dash 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 dash. So you take bath with it every day. What is the spelling? How do you take bath? You take bath with the help of soaps. SOAPS, soaps. Let us write. So I have written over here SOAPS, soaps. That will come in the blanks over here. Then what is given over here? O dash dash. So 3 letter we have to write, 3 alphabet word. Which is the 3 alphabet word? We apply in our hair and we also use that thing for cooking. So which is that thing? Oil. Let us write the spelling OIL, oil. So as you can see I have written over here OIL, oil. That will fit in the blank. Then next F-B dash dash dash. So can you tell me? We can also make clothes with the help of this thing. That are fibers. FIBRES, fibers. Let us write the answer. So as you can see I have written over here, it will fit in the blank. Here will come I, then RES, fibers. We get fibers from plants like cotton, jute. Then next over here, what is given? M dash 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 and dash. There are so many dash given over here and it starts with M. See, when the person is sick or you are not well, at that time we use this thing like tulsi, neem, turmeric, all these are dash plants. We get dash from that. And when you get hurt, you can apply that thing on the wound. What is that thing? Medicines. Let us write the spelling MEDICINES, medicines. So we get medicines from plants. Then next one, what is given? W dash dash dash. 3 times dash is given. So what do we get? With which we can make furniture and other things like table, chair, etc. So it starts with W. What is that thing? Can you tell me? It is wood. WOOD. Let us write. Right, so see, as you can see I have written over here WOOD, wood, useful for making furniture, and we have learned many different types of woods in the lesson. Then next, can you see over here what is this? P dash 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 R, R dash dash B, then dash R, then G dash M. These are the 3 things. These 3 things we have to write together. First one we get from wood. What do we make from wood? On which thing do you write? What do you have in your notebook on which you write? Paper. PAPER, paper. Then with what thing do you erase? Yes, and we can also make furniture with the help of that tree. Rubber. RUBBER, rubber. Then G-M, GUM, gum, which is used for sticking. We can also make glue with the help of gum. So here we have written the answer, paper, rubber, gum. All these are the things we get from plants. What have we written? Let us recall: fruits, vegetables, coffee and tea, cereals and pulses, soaps, oil, fibers, medicines, wood, paper, rubber, gum. Now let us solve one more worksheet. So what is the next question? Name any three things that come in your school bag that come from plants. So which are the three things that we get from plants which are in your school bag? What do you have in your school bag? We have books, notebooks are there, compass box is there, we have so many craft activities things in our bag. So let us write the three things that come from plants and that we carry to our school in the bag. Let us write the answer. So first thing I can write paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper. Then I can write erasers, E-R-A-S-E-R-S, erasers. And third thing I can write glue, G-L-U-E, glue. These are the three things that come in our school bag with the help of plants. We get these three things. We need paper for writing in our notebook. Erasers are there to erase the mistakes. Glue is there for craft activities. These are the three things in our bag which we get from plants. Next, this plant is used in our food very often, means so many times we use this in our food, and also as a medicine. It is also very useful as a medicine. When you get hurt, you can apply this and your bleeding will stop. So name the plant looking at the picture given alongside. So here the plant we have to name. Which picture is given over here? We have to name this. Which is the picture over here? Can you tell me what is the picture? This picture is of turmeric. Turmeric is the name of the plant. So let us write the spelling T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. Turmeric. This is the name of the plant. It is very useful in medicine. It is a medicinal plant and also useful while cooking. Now let us solve one new worksheet. Now one more worksheet is given. Write F for fruits and V for vegetables. So we have to see the images. We should know whether it is a fruit or vegetable. If it is a fruit, we write F. If it is vegetable, we write V. So let us begin. First one. Can you see the bunch of grapes? So grapes come in the category of fruits. So we have to write F over here. What shall we write? F for fruit and put it in the box which is given over here because it is a fruit. Next, this is yummy fruit, very tasty and very sweet. One of the favorite fruits of children. That is mango. It also comes in the category of fruits. So let us write F for fruit. What do we write? F. Put it in the box. It is a fruit. Next, can you see over here? Orange color, very tasty, yummy. It is a pumpkin. Pumpkin comes in the category of vegetable. It is one of the vegetables. So for vegetable, we write V. Let us put it in the blank after writing V. So I have put V over here for pumpkin. V means vegetable. Next, see, very spicy. It makes our food spicy. This is a chili. It is red color. It can also be of green color. So is chili a fruit or vegetable? It is vegetable. So for vegetable, we write V. So let us write V and put it in the box. As you can see, I have written over here V and I have put it in the box. Chili is a vegetable. Then next, can you see this red color? What are these? These are cherries. So cherries, are they vegetable or fruits? So cherries are fruits, and for fruits we have to write F. Let us write F and put it in the blank. F for fruit and C for cherry. Then next one, what is given? it is given over here watermelon. Can you see this outer green part? Watermelon. Is it a fruit or vegetable? Of course, it is a fruit. So we write F for fruit and put it in the box. F for fruit and C for cherry. Then next images. Now it is given. See what is given. We have to complete these blanks. Which are these fruits? We have to identify these fruits. We should know which fruits are these, and we have to fill in the missing alphabets. So let us begin the first one. See, it starts with P and A. Do you see this? What is this? It has seed inside it. What is the image? This is papaya. So let us write. What is the spelling? Papaya, papaya. I will write the whole spelling for you and you have to fill in the blanks. See, Papaya, papaya. Then next one, what do you see over here? This green color and white from inside, it has seed in the center. It starts with P. It is pears. Do you know the spelling? Pears, pears, and I put it over here so that you can fill in the blanks. Next one, this yellow color fruit, it is very healthy and you eat 2 of these, you will be exercising the whole day without any tiredness. You will not get tired, it will give you a lot of calcium and energy. It starts with B. So what is the name of this fruit? Banana. Let us write the answer. Banana, banana, and I put it over here so that you can fill in the alphabets. Banana. Then next, can you see this orange color? Very nice fruit and it is not sweet. What is the name? It gives us vitamin C and very good for our skin. Do you know this fruit name? It is an orange. So let us write the spelling. Orange, orange, and I put it over here for you to see the spelling. Orange, orange. Then these two, what do you see over here? It looks like apples, but these are not apples. These are very tiny. Apples are bigger compared to this. So these are cherries. So let us write the spelling. What is the spelling of cherry? Cherry, cherry. 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 These are cherries which you can see on your screen. Next one, the last one. This is the bunch of green color fruit. What is the name of this? This is bunch of grapes. So do you know the spelling of grapes? Grapes. 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 This is the bunch of grapes as you can see on your screen. So this is papaya, pears, banana, orange, cherries and grapes. These are the names of the fruits. Then can you see these vegetables? Let us give the names to these vegetables. What can you see this? This is broccoli. Then this one, the second vegetable, can you see over here? It starts with G. What is the name of this vegetable? Ginger. So we will write the answer. And this is vegetable. What is the name of this vegetable? It is an onion. Then this one, as I told you, favorite food, that is for rabbit. Rabbits like carrots. This is green color. It has outer covering of green color. It is cabbage. And the last again green color, dark green color vegetable, it is lettuce. So let us write all the spellings now. So as you can see, I have written the spellings: broccoli, ginger, onion, carrot, cabbage, lettuce. So in today's video, we revised lesson 2, that is uses of plants. We studied notes to be written in the fair book, and after that we solved some worksheets based on the uses of plants. We solved fill in the blanks and we identified the names of different fruits and vegetables. So we will meet again with the new worksheet of the same lesson. Till then, all of you take care of yourselves. Goodbye and have a blessed day. Thank you, all of you.